If you want to know how can you lock your profile on Facebook, like actually lock it, like you would see a locked profile on Facebook, you cannot like or even find their posts, you cannot open their profile picture, you can basically do nothing but see their username. So if you want that, follow up carefully with me and I'll show you exactly how. All you need to do is to first go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the Facebook app updated to the latest version for this to work properly. As you can see here, my app is updated and I have to quit now from here and go again to open my Facebook app. So from the Facebook app, you need to tap on the profile picture in the top right corner right here. And then from here, you need to go to your profile. So just tap on your name right there next to your profile picture. Then tap on the three dots next to edit profile. From here, you should find an option that says lock profile, just like this one right here. You can tap on it and carry on in locking your profile, but you need to be in certain locations of the world to be able to use that feature. So we need to go to your Play Store again or App Store and install a VPN. Basically any VPN works here, but of course the paid ones work better. It's just like that. So just choose a VPN, anyone from this list right here, and I'll show you what location you need to switch to. So once you're done from that, you can go to Chrome and you find out after searching that the countries that have these options are listed right here in front of you, the screen, including United Arab Emirates. You can go to Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Morocco, a lot of other countries, and you can expand the list by tapping on see more. So just choose a country, go back to your VPN app that you have downloaded or installed and switch to that location, and you should find that option there. Of course, it's not guaranteed because Facebook might know that you have changed your location, but it's worth a try. And that is it for this video, guys. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one and leave your concerns for me in the bottom. Thanks for watching.